Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with Darktrace, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale cybersecurity effectively with Darktrace, begin by assessing your existing cyber risk landscape. Identify critical assets within your network that require the highest level of protection. Next, implement Darktrace Enterprise Immune System, which uses machine learning to monitor network traffic in real time. Set up the system to establish a baseline of normal behavior for your network. This will enable the identification of anomalies that may indicate potential threats. Once established, leverage the Threat Visualizer feature to gain insights into potential risks. This graphical representation allows for easier navigation and comprehension of your network's security posture. Utilize the self-learning AI model to continuously adapt to new threats without constant manual intervention. Regularly review alerts generated by Darktrace AI, focusing on high-priority incidents. Train your security team to respond effectively to these alerts, emphasizing incident response protocols. Integrate Darktrace AI with existing security tools to create a seamless security ecosystem. Use the platform's seamless integration capabilities to enhance overall threat visibility. Monitor performance metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of Darktrace in your cybersecurity framework. Conduct periodic assessments to ensure Darktrace adapts to changing cyber threats. Engage in regular training sessions to keep your team updated on the latest features and threat landscapes. Utilize the insights gained from Darktrace to inform broader cybersecurity strategy adjustments. Finally, establish a review process to continuously optimize the use of Darktrace in your cybersecurity strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.